In primetime news this evening, Indicom releases a shocking report on the number of people who died in custody at police lockups. Man testifies that he was hired by Everton Beach Stout to douse his wife with acid. And we explore what's behind the increase in domestic violence incidents involving senior citizens.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, eggs are available, but not enough people are buying them. So what's the plan from egg farmers? That and more in the business day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. The JFF election date has been set for January 14, but there's some degree of controversy. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We are expecting drier conditions this weekend across most of the island. Stronger winds are also forecast for most of the coastal areas. We're looking for 25-knot winds in some areas as well.
Why can't he just say the Christmas breeze?
Yeah,
I
you
don't
know, that would be good news. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of reports indicating that more senior citizens are committing acts of crime and violence?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.